Hi, welcome to another new video. As you can see, this is a very first time I'm making ankara dress or top on my channel. This was what you asked me to do, and I also want to do that. In today's video, I will be showing you how I cut and sew this off shoulder umbrella ankara short dress. In this video, I will be teaching you how to cut an umbrella pattern, even if you have never cut a pattern before. But with the technique I will be showing you, you are going to be cutting it like a pro. And I also cut a sweetheart neckline on this dress. It is very simple, though mine is not so visible, but you can cut yours a bit deeper if you like to. I also want to thank those who have subscribed to this channel. It means a lot. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please do. And let's move on to making this dress. Thank you very much, and let's move on. Measurements we are taking, we are going to measure this place, since it's not going to start from the shoulder, and for me is 14, but because it will be folded in two, that will be 7. We are going to cut out an umbrella flare. So this is what I have in the table. I fold my fabric in two. If you fold your fabric in two the way I do, you will cut it very easy. You will even be cutting out two pieces, one for the back and one for the front. If you have it like that, take any of the two edges that is close to you, either the left one or the right one. Move it to the other end, the way it will form a cone, and you are going to cut your armhole by the side that is open. That is the savage side. Measure 2 inches down. This has nothing at all because it has nothing to do for me. Then from here I'll measure 7. Then I will still be getting my 7, as you can see. So if I cut off 2, if I measure 7 down, I'll be getting my 7 inches here. So here I'm going to measure 7 for my armhole. 7. To get the sweetheart neckline, like I mentioned before, it's going to be like this. You see that? The length of my dress was 34, so that is what we are going to measure now. I'm going to go through this place. From here we are going to measure 34. And this is how I take the measurements. Let me color it properly so that you can see what we have. And you will use your scissors to cut it out. I'm not going to cut this. This is just to show you how I cut the pattern. You've seen before that I've cut mine out already. If you want to put a facing on your dress, you can use this pattern to cut your facing. If you want it short, you can make it short. You can still use the same pattern, but just place your fabric on top it and then mark it out to the desired length you want your facing. So this is what I do with mine. My facing is just up to where I have my armhole. As you can see, I have sewed it in. Let's move on to cut the sleeve for this dress. My sleeve is not an umbrella sleeve. My sleeve is a full flare. So this is how I cut it. I just fold my fabric in two and then fold it one more time. With this edge here, I take my measurements. This is what we are going to cut out, and then we have this. So let me put it and you see. You can also use your sleeve to cut out your facing. But make sure that your facing is 2 inches or 1.5 inches smaller than your wrist sleeve, because you are going to pull it a little bit so that the facing will not be showing at the time that you finish sewing. And if you have a surgeon machine or a overlock machine, they call it, this is the time that you have to use overlock to sew here, and the edges here. So that is all. I will put it on the mannequin and then you see.